Congratulations sa 2023 Knowledge Channel Volunteer and Internship Program or KCVIP graduates.
We celebrate not just an end, but a new beginning. The Knowledge Channel Volunteer and Internship Program has long been the driving force behind Knowledge Channel Foundation's mission of transforming lives through education. It's a program that goes beyond the conventional boundaries of learning, transcending into a realm where knowledge becomes a catalyst for change.
You have made and are making a very, very huge impact on the educational system.
We proudly recognize the achievements of 99 dedicated interns and 24 exceptional and equally dedicated volunteers. We also pin our hopes on you. We believe in your potential to make a positive impact on the world.
Sa kanyang keynote address, binigyang diin ni Ms. Mercedes Cedi Lopez Vargas ang kahalagahan ng hindi pagsuko sa kabila ng mga hamon.
Failure is never viewed as failure unless you define it as such for yourself. But never ever let your missteps keep you from living out your greatness.
And Knowledge Channel has been among the first partner institutions to share that vision with us. During and after the internship, we saw in our students a different and deeper drive, purpose, and sense of reality.
Where the graduates have become genuine collaborators in nurturing young leaders among Filipino children.
Nagbigay rin ng mga pagbati sina dating Vice President at Angat Pilipinas Chairperson Attorney Leonor Lenny G. Robredo.
I hope that this experience is the start of your lifelong commitment to be part of empowering our communities and in nation building. Congratulations to all of you. Mabuhay kayong lahat.
Senator Sherwin Win Gatchalian.
The theme KCFI Partners in Developing the Filipino Children embodies the collaborative spirit and shared commitment of these individuals in nurturing the potential of our youth and fostering leadership qualities.
Para sa mga interesadong sumali sa KCVIP, isend ang portfolio at CV via email to these contacts. Or i-scan ang QR code sa screen.
Sa Knowledge Channel, ang saya matuto ng bago!
Para sa latest updates, bumisita sa knowledgechannel.org.